Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and as you can tell by today's thumbnail and title of the video, I will be trying some new Gel X dupe nails, and these are from Notpolish. I have two sets, the square and stiletto medium. I think my stiletto is sculpted and my squares are natural. I also have their Press X gel and their stain resistant top coat that I'll be trying, and I bought everything myself, okay? So I know this bin came out, but that's why I got it right now, okay? But yeah, so I'm using this for today's video, and of course it's another Halloween set, but this one is very simple, very easy, okay? So to start off, I am just going in with my sizing, and I'm edging up the inside of the nails with the nail filer, not nail filer, my machine with the grid bit on it, and I'm doing this to all the nails, and I'm using the tiny barrel because it's just faster to get in all the nails instead of me switching in and out from big and small. So I'm just doing that on my nails first. I'm doing the inside, and I'm also edging the cuticle area so it lays more flesh onto my nail, and then I'm going to go in with their Press X gel to adhere them. So, like I said, right now I'm going in with the Press X gel to adhere these nails onto my fingers. And I have peel off base on, of course, as usual. But this gel is very thick. It is very sticky. And I don't know, if you like that, then you like it. If you don't, then you don't. But I do like it. But it is going to take me a little minute to figure out, like, sizing, or not sizing, but like the amount I should be using on all the nails, because I was using a little bit more than I should be using for this price, okay? So gotta be a little generous with it, but I can say a little bit does go a long way. When I was trying to like figure out how much to use and not to use, so yeah, I do like it for that. I'm not sure how long it lasts. I'm gonna say it's gonna last a while with the consistency of it, but because I'm peeling these off right away, I can't really tell you how long they'll last. But that is what the consistency of the gel is, and like I said, yeah, just applying to all the nails right now, and they had no problem with curing either. Like, everything was fine. It cured like it was supposed to, you know, so no issue there either. So I can say for these sculpted stiletto nails, for the thumb, I did have to like put the nail up higher than like near my cuticle, because the nails are a little too small when it gets to my thumb. Like their size 0 just wasn't zeroing like I needed it to. I don't know if because I have a wider thumb nail, or it just wasn't that big, or maybe it's because it's sculpted. I don't know, but I mean, I just put it up a little bit higher than where my cuticle was, and it worked perfectly fine. You can't really tell, um, especially after I like did all the art and everything. It like basically like blended in. And if I wasn't doing peel off base, I would have blended it in more with like filing or just putting more gel. But I didn't want to do all that because I was pulling these right off afterwards. So yeah, just wanted to keep that in your mind if you're wondering. Okay, so after I did all my filing and buffing, and I only hand filed the cuticle areas because it didn't need like me to go in with the whole machine. The nails are pretty sturdy. The tips are very strong. I like that. And the bases are not like super strong. They're not super flexible. These probably would be good for press-ons also. So I do like that. But after I did all of that work, right now I'm just going in with some black gel polish. And this is a black gel polish that I got from a Cateye nail set. And that's good because we're going to be doing Cateye today anyway. So I'm using this black gel polish, and I'm just painting all of my nails black. It doesn't have to be the one that came with the kit. It's just the one that I'm using because it was near me and I paid for it. So yeah, doing all my nails black and going to cure for 60 seconds. Okay, so after I was done curing, now I'm going in with some silver cat eye gel, and this one I got from Temu also. But first I'm going in with the cat eye gel over my entire thumb, and before I cure it, I'm taking this magnet, but I put like 2 circles onto one, and yeah, it didn't come out how I wanted to this first time. That's why I had to do it again. So I'm putting some more cat eye gel to like get the effect back, and I'm going to like bring in the edges and the corners and everything to make it like a circle in the middle of the nail as much as I possibly can, because I'm pretty sure I wasn't supposed to use a circle to make a circle. But either way, I did that, and once I was satisfied with how the cat eye looked, I just cured it for 60 seconds. And I'm going in with some jelly colors, and this one is from Profiles Backstage. I did like a mixture of Profiles Backstage and Valentino, but this one is Profiles Backstage, and it really makes the cat eyes stick out. So I did that, and I did like 1 or 2 cat eyes per nail, then cured it just because I didn't want to mess up anything with the magnet, like accidentally like waving over something. And yeah, I just didn't want to do that. It was just gonna be too much work. So I'm trying to make a circle on most of the nails, not all of them, but majority of them. Like I was trying to sketch out in my head what faces I was going to do on what nail to make a circle or not. So that's just what I'm doing here. You know, play around with it, see how you like it, whatever. And I did leave one nail without any jelly color on it at all, just because it was supposed to be like a ghost face. So the whiter, the better. Duh, right? So after I cured all my cat eye and the jelly colors on top of them, I'm going in with that same black to make my faces. And I'm starting off with my thumb because that's the easiest, you know, of course. And I'm starting off with a Jack face, like the Jack, you know, the skeleton, Jack the Skeleton, you know, him, Jack from Nightmare Before Christmas. I'm starting off with his face, and the green nail. And you can sort of see it looks like a little pumpkin, but it also looks like him if you just squint a little bit. But yeah, I'm doing that with the black, and I don't know what else to say, but that's what I'm doing. I'm doing that with the black. I'm just making faces. I did him, I did the ghost face, I did like pumpkins, and then I just did a random smiley face because I didn't know what else to do. But yeah, that's what I'm doing for all the nails. And after each nail, of course, I cured it for 60 seconds because I didn't want to mess it up. So yeah. So after I was done making all my faces and curing, I'm going in now with the stain resistant top coat, and the top coat is watery. It's not very thick, so if you like that, then you do. Again, if you don't, then you don't. But I'm not really that big of a fan of like super watery top coats, so I'll use it because I paid for it. But I could do without it, you know. Also, I could say that when using the top coat, I feel like it was separating in a way. Like even not doing these nails, I tried it outside of doing these nails on like matte nails and everything. Like it was just like, I don't know. Like the gel polish from the tip of the nails was like moving backwards. If that makes sense. I don't know. But if you like it, you like it. If you don't, you don't. But yeah. So these are what the nails turned out to look like, and you can see my phone in the camera because I'm trying to show you guys what they look like with the flash on, because you can really see like the cat eye effect with the flash. You could see it with the regular camera, but you couldn't at the same time. So this is just what the nails look like with the flash on, and from certain angles, look at that face. Okay, you can see all the faces. I did a bat, I did a smiley face, like what? But yeah, this was a very simple and easy nail design. I think I got this nail design from, I believe it was Daily Charm. They showed a tutorial on how to do this, so shout out to them. But I like the nails. I hope you like the nails. The nail tips themselves, I like the nail tips. I wish that they were a little bigger for like the sculpted, but maybe that's just me. Maybe I need to get natural and stop trying. But I don't know. But either way, yeah, I like the nails. I hope you like the nails. And if you do, please give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.